cooking thing.
You can what?
Put the cooking majiggy on.
What cookie majiggy? What cookie majiggy thingy? Oh, that? Yeah, no. Yeah, but that, when you unbuckle it, it unhooks then. That's why I don't do it. So, yeah, we got some snacks and stuff. We put it in the trunk. We in Papa Chef's car today. I don't like driving it, but he wanted to drive the van, so. Yeah, so we're in Papa Chef. We got Matthew, Muffin.
Hi.
Or Nadira. I don't know if y'all know her for the other name. But yeah, we got Matthew. Oh, this busted? I don't think it did. I don't think
Probably
it did.
didn't, because it would have been still leaking.
Right.
It would have been still leaking.
Is it open?
It's
No.
correct grammar.
It's still like. Let me put it here just in case, because I don't want it to. I'm just gonna stop at Dollar Tree, you know, just to get sand buckets for the kids. It's mostly for Amina, but yeah, we're gonna take you on a trip there. I think I should have brought another SD card just in case, but I don't know. Let me see. Do I have one in here? No. We're just gonna have to make the best of it, right? I only got 2 hours on the card over here, but 2 hours and 40 minutes, was it?
I think so.
So that should be more than good enough. I can, you know, break it down or whatever. Anywho, got the GoPro with us. Woo!
Stop moving it around. They can't read correctly.
Oh, there you go, the GoPro. It was upside down. Guys, I live by this camera. It's so freaking easy to maintain.
And it was the first camera you got, so you're not going to want to let go of it.
No, I don't think it has anything to do. I'm not sponsored by GoPro, but it's just so easy. It's so convenient.
So
like if you want to go to like Walmart or whatever it may be, right? Hold on, I'm
Reverse.
right. Like if you want to go to Walmart or whatever, you know, you could just put that in your bag and go about your business. You feel me? I love this. 111, good. You gotta wish it.
Did you just blow on your phone?
Yeah, it's birthday wishes. I'm gonna get my birthday wishes. Y'all know what I mean?
You're too old to be having birthdays.
What? You disrespectful. Disrespectful. Y'all feel the air back there? Huh? Yeah? Matthew says you do. So Nadira said that she wanted to go in and bring this over a little bit more. She wanted to go in and buy the little sand buckets. So she wanted, and Amina wanted to go, but you know, I just wanted them to get in there and get out. I just did that because it's already, look, 1:23. By the time we get there, probably like 2:30 the latest. And then we can only stay there for a couple hours, which is fine. I'm just going out there because I want to get a little tan and, you know, show the kids a change of pace. What I was saying was, she's trying to say that I was saying that the money, it'll last you, it'll go further if you just wait a little bit. And with the Xbox and PlayStations, you know, when they make a new model all the time, they make it, and of course, even if you make the new model, it's going to be
buggy, and it's gonna
it's gonna have bugs. So you know, a lot of it'll be bad, and you know, you're just wasting your money because they have bugs, and then you know you have to report it to the PlayStation or Xbox people, but they're not gonna refund you for something that has a bug. You know what I mean?
Right.
They're just gonna be like, you gotta stay with that. You gotta go buy another one. Blase, blase, right? So that's what she's trying to say to you. Just save your money and wait. That's what I do, y'all. I don't know if y'all do the same thing, because when it comes to my phone, right, all my phones, like if I get, for example, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, right?
Yeah, that's
I didn't get it as soon as it dropped. I got it a year later, which allowed them to like work out all the bugs and stuff like that, you know? Yeah. Anywho, so Nadira, she went to Family Dollar. Dollar Tree? Dollar Tree or Family Dollar?
Family Dollar.
She went to Family. That's not Family Dollar. That was Dollar Tree.
It went from Dollar Tree to Family Dollar. No.
They changed the name? No. Family Dollar is the one with the red banner.
No, it's Dollar Tree.
Yeah, it's Dollar Tree.
I was talking about another one.
Right. She went to Dollar Tree and she bought some sand buckets and she bought the shovels and stuff like that. She gonna show you what it is. So we got a yellow, a red, and a blue bucket. And
they gonna slow down. Slow down. Okay, the yellow.
You gotta take
one,
the stick out.
and then we got the red one.
Hold on, Mimi, you gonna hold it.
The red one, and then the blue one over here.
Right, and then they all got. See, the blue one got a green shovel. The yellow one got a red one,
And the pink one got a.
and the red one got a yellow one. And then Matthew, he always got to be extravagant, so he got this big one.
Yeah.
This big stick, you see? And this is for Matthew, but he's gonna help better because that's how he is. Here you go, Matthew.
You can't have two.
He want the red. Give her the red one. Give her the red. Okay, so you got blue. He's supposed to get blue because he's a boy.
But I like blue because I got blue. Okay, fine.
She want this one. Yeah,
That's
and
not
you can
blue,
get this.
that's red.
So that's problem solved. Like we spoke about like 5 different things in that quick, what is it, 15-minute session, y'all. 5 little things.
It's like wait.
Why is that
You could wait. Okay, there we go.
All right, guys, we're here. You see Amina and Matthew up there? Say hi, Nadira.
Hi.
We here, y'all.
My feet are burned.
Your feet are burning
My feet are burned.
already? So, Mimi, we're going to head to the bathroom first before we go over there. But it's packed. We got to find a spot where we're not going to be surrounded by people. Nadira, how you feel about coming to the park?
I still don't like being here.
Why?
I don't like being outside.
Why? Mimi, wait! Wait, Mimi. You're going too far. Come on. Wait, you gotta use the bathroom?
No.
Wait, Mimi. Mimi, give me your hand. You're going too far. And there's cars here and people and stuff like that. You don't gotta use the bathroom?
No.
Nadira, you gotta use the bathroom? No? Mimi, you gotta use the bathroom?
No.
I gotta use the bathroom, y'all.
The umbrella person isn't here.
That's what you're supposed to do. Sorry, y'all.
I keep getting hair on my face.
Hair?
Yeah.
Give me a hug! Give me a